Here we come to the elevators at the whole Valdez Main Library. It's Dover Impulse, hydraulic. We're on 1. Let's go up to 4.
Works.
Door close button works. Very early impulse. Blue door closed.
There's a lockout here, but only by an elevator key.
Yep, there's a lockout.
Oh, there goes. Instant takeoff.
Yep, this could be relay. Yep.
Vandalized, very vandalized though.
Yeah, this thing is beat up. Because this is a public library.
And like the one downtown too, so.
Button go out. That's the button go out here. Let's see if we can ring the bell. Yeah, it works. Relay logic. Because it was a very slow bell. Let's go down to 1. Red button. Red button. This is relay logic.
Yep, instant takeoff.
Yep. Want to try the other car?
It's very similar, but it might be interesting.
Yeah.
If you want to.
It's relay logic, so
Yeah.
I wonder if it will be less vandalized. But
Oh.
This is car
2.
Yep, this is car 2, and then
We'll get car 3 next. Car 1's the parking elevator, I think.
security camera and very nice cab, but vandalized.
Yep.
Red button. We're leveling. It takes a while to level. Let's send this one up to 4.
That one still has the original light.
Yeah, the other one still has
Wait.
incandescent light. Lights burn out. Installed in the late 80s.
And it has the pseudo-digital indicator.
Yep. Like most Dovers from the 80s and 90s and even into the 2000s.
Yeah.
With ThyssenKrupp. Up here comes this one. Chirp maybe. We might have a chirp.
No, I think it's a buzz.
No bell. Oh, there we go.
Very dirty lanterns. Need to be cleaned. Let's go 4. Oh, one's burned out on this one.
Yeah. One's burned out. A little bit vandalized, less than the other. Barely hear the motor.
Over the fan.
The fan is quite loud. I mean, it's not terrible, but you can't hear the motors. The motor's super quiet. And here we're on 4.
Yeah, it's a hydrant. You can feel it.
Yep. And no pre-door. Let's see what the bell is like on this one.
4 pitched. This door open button is soft, doesn't click.
Nope. Let's go down to 1. I wonder if it works. No, it doesn't work.
Oh, disconnected. That's a problem.
That's a problem. Let's not have to code. This thing needs some work, but it's not a big deal though. You can still push the floor button and it'll open.
Yeah. And here we go.
Yep. This COP's definitely got some vandalism because this button doesn't work.
Oh yeah.
I'm not gonna push the alarm, but
Yeah.
I wonder if that works.
That has to.
I could see if it'll open on me. Here we go.
Nope, it doesn't work. There you go.
Oh, very slow door.
Yeah, let them in.
Doesn't work.
Sorry.
Here's that one.
One coming up. There it goes. That's it.
Oh, and that blinked, so it's probably relay logic. There's the indicator. Anyways, here's a vending machine, and anyways, there they go, and that's it.